LED strip.
There you go, turning the LED strip on.
Now if you actually do want to set up your LED light strip with Google Home, you are going to have to watch my previous video which shows you how to set up your LED light strip using an app on your phone. Now the app I'm using in this case is called Magic Home Pro. There's the app, and now we're going to set it up with Google Home. Right, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is download the Google Home app if you haven't downloaded it already. So just go onto your app store, type in Google Home, right here, press search. It will find Google Home for us, just press open or download it if you haven't downloaded it already. Then once you're in the app, press on the top left corner right there, then select Home Control. Once you're in here, press Add in the bottom right corner there. Then we're going to scroll down until we see Magic Home Wi-Fi. Press on that. This will make us sign into our Magic Home account. Just press Authorize once you've typed in all your details. This may take a couple of seconds to download and set up, but once it's done, let's just refresh this. And a light strip should appear somewhere here, maybe, possibly. There we go. We have our light strip right here. So if you go on the light strip, we can rename it to whatever we want. So for example, I'm just going to rename it to LED strip. Press OK. Then we can even assign a room to it, which in this case would be my bedroom. We can go back, we can refresh everything. And here we have our LED strip all set up. Now we can do a little test to make sure that it is actually working. Hey Google, turn off LED strip.
There you go, turning off the LED strip.
Fantastic, and I even have myself an Amazon Echo right next to my Google Home. So we can also use Amazon Echo to turn on the LED strip. So, Alexa, turn on LED strip.
Okay.
There we go, Alexa turned the LED strip on. Of course, Google Home can also turn the LED strip on. Let's see if we can change the color of the LED strip as well. Hey Google, change LED strip color to blue.
Okay, changing the LED strip to blue.
Fantastic, that even worked, which is very good. So, this LED strip adapter works with both Google Home and Amazon Alexa. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.